Hi Porsche 917 fans, it's July 9th, Tuesday, 2019. I picked up the grill material that's going to go in the nose, and I got the framework that's going to go around it, piece of channel. And got a lot done today in the morning. Everything went great. And then massive anxiety in the afternoon, but I got lots done. This has been hanging over my head for 10 years now. I finally took the bodywork on the side, which included this door, and started cutting it up. That's the part that's going to be stationary right on there. The door is going to come down and sit on here. The tail will sit on there, and it'll be Zeus fastened there. And there'll be a bracket that'll tuck. I'm sorry about this. I'm using my phone. What are you going to get? There's going to be a piece that goes in behind here to keep the side right. I finally got the door latches figured out. This is going to go here. I need a longer one. Oh, I'm sorry. I got a longer one. Need a longer one to get out far enough. But this is a Volkswagen, probably a front trunk lid. I'm going to cut this handle off, and you can see there's a bolt here. I'm going to make a bracket that goes under the door like this, up here and over. And then this is going to sit down inside that bracket and bolt it on to there so that the very top of this button is flush with the bodywork. Because that's the way it was on these cars. They just had a button right here, and they must have had to push this button and then grab the bodywork over here to lift the door up. On the coupes, they had this notched out so you could get your fingers in behind under the door and then push the button. But I'm going to do it the way they did it. Wait a minute. And I got another Zeus fastener here to hold the side in. And then these are the buttresses. If you look at all the pictures of 917s, you have those buttresses in there, I call them, to keep the shape of the bodywork. There's the door all cut out. And it was angled like this. And what, let me see, anything back here? No. What Joe did, the team did, is they closed the door, and then they put black tape on both here and the rear, and then here in the door. You'll see black stripes on both sides of here. So that's what I'm going to do too. I'll get the door hung. Oh, let me see if I can. Oh, this is gonna turn out terrible, this video. Wait a minute. Somewhere here. Oh, here it is. Put this deal together. This is gonna go. Let's see if I can show you underneath here. You see that wall right there? I always wonder what that was for. And it's to take this hinge. Take this. Hello, where are we? And bolt this into here. So it's gonna look like that. Oh, I'm sorry. Can't do whatever. So this is going to bolt into there. This is going to bolt into the door. And then the door is just going to swing right up and over and whatever like that. So that's going to be the hinges. That's the latch. And that's the hook. And those are the Zeus fasteners. And those are the buttresses. And once I get both these sides bolted in and the doors hinged on both sides, then I put the tail back on. And then I've got to connect, I've got to over here, that butts up onto here, and there's a bracket, whoops, there's a bracket for holding it together right there. And then I have to fiberglass them together. I've got an angle, maybe you can see all the rivets, bolts in there. I've got an angle on the bottom lip, and with the holes in it, which pick up that thing. And then, oh, wait till you see. I've had to MacGyver this job from the very beginning. You have to buy off-the-shelf parts. Now catch this. See if you can see that from the... You see the angled pieces of metal right there? These are like tracks for your cabinets or whatever. See those bent angles right there? That's going to bolt to the bodywork up here, to the bodywork. And then this part here, that was the cable for the cable. Am I there? There I am. The cable for the cable ski binding is going to go up there and grab that angle and then latch it down. I can't do this. All right, so that's it. We're moving along. Now tomorrow, I'm going to put this video in today. Tomorrow I'm getting something in the mail that I've been worrying about for 10 years. How am I going to do it? I figured out the painting, the color, and who's doing it? Me, of course. But the next thing that comes after the painting I've been worrying about for 10 years, and I got it finally figured out. It took 2 days, 24 hours, 48 hours to get it all figured out once I buckled down and did it. And I'm going to have them here tomorrow, and I'll lay them out for you on the car so you can see them. And I'll give you the name of the company I got them from. I ain't telling. It got to be a surprise. All right, I'm running out of wind. I'll catch you later.